Good afternoon. Thank you for being here today. We are going to talk about green technology, decarbonization, and sustainable development. What is the green technology? Green technology is an umbrella term that describes green technology, the use of technology and science to reduce human impact on the natural environment. Next one is the connection between globalization and green technology. Globalization is multi-phased, the more than a simple movement of goods and investment. It is also about flow of ideas and knowledge. There are different perspectives about the impacts of globalization in environment and in sustainable development. Technology and globalization are closely interconnected and have a multi-function relationship. Technology has enabled globalization by improving communication and transactions, making it easy for goods, services, people, and ideas to cross borders. Next one is the new green technology in 2023. In 2023, we can anticipate further improvements in renewable energy technologies, such as more effective solar panels and advanced wind turbines. These developments will contribute to greater adoptions of clean energy sources and further reduce carbon emissions. Thank you.
My topic is example of green technology. First one is solar energy. Solar power is energy from the sun that is converted into thermal or electric energy. Wastewater treatment. Wastewater treatment is the process which removes and eliminates contaminants from wastewater and convert this into an effluent that can be returned to the water cycle. Uh, Biofuels. Biofuels is fuels that is produced over a short time span from biomass rather than by the very slow natural processes involved in the formations of fossil fuels such as oil, wave and tidal energy. Tidal energy project use tidal action to generate power while wave energy project use wave action to generate power. Recycle and waste management. This includes the collection transportation. This includes the collection transportation, disposal, recycle and monitoring of waste materials produced as a result of human activities. Next topic is what is the meaning by sustainable development? Development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generation to meet their own needs. Next one is what is the connection between globalization and sustainable development? Globalization has led to increased trade, investment, and finance flows, which have in turn led to economic growth and development. This emphasis on trade and economic development has also led to increased job creation in developing countries, helping to reduce poverty and improve living standards. Thank you.
My topic is what are the types of sustainable development? First one is social. The purpose of social sustainable development is a scale equal opportunity for people to achieve fundamental rights and basic conditions of life and participation in decision making in the one country and globalization. Next one is environmental. Environmental sustainable is the ability to maintain the ecological balance in our planet's natural environment and conserve natural resources to support the well-being of current and future generations. Next, economic. Economic sustainable refers practice that supports long-term economic growth without negative impact on social, environmental, and current aspect of the community. Next one is which country is number one in sustainable development. The report assessed the progress of all 193 UN member states on the SDGs. The year Finland, Sweden, and Denmark topped the ranking. In addition to all rover scale, we also feature the Slaver index that tracks country positive and negative impacts and above. Next topic, what are the sustainable development issues in Sri Lanka? First one in land decarbonization. Land decarbonization in Sri Lanka is primarily due to conversion of whether other land use types, the increases of use of land, pollution, and poor management of weather resource. Sustainable weather resource management has become a factor of the social economic development of Sri Lanka that favors seasonal variation and competition among weather users. Thank you.
What is decarbonization? Decarbonization is a method of climate change mitigation that reduces greenhouse gas GHG emissions as well as remove them from the atmosphere. Why decarbonization matters? The more greenhouse gas emissions added to the sphere, the more plant warms, the more significant the impact of climate change will be. The relationship between decarbonization and globalization is complex and multifaceted. On one hand, globalization has facilitated the spread of technologies, ideas, and best practices related to decarbonization. It has all allowed for the global exchange of clean energy technologies, increased awareness of environmental issues, and the sharing of information on suitable practices. However, globalization has also led to increased trade and transportation, which can contribute to carbon emissions through the movement of goods and people. The global supply chain, while efficient, can have a significant carbon footprint. Thank you. My topic is green technology, decarbonization, and sustainable development summary. Green technology focus construction and using environmentally friendly innovation like solar energy effect, effect appearance to reduce resources consumption and pollution. Decarbonization involve cutting down or eliminating carbon emissions particularly for fossil fuel, by shifting to renewable energy and empowering efficiency. Sustainable development aims to meet current needs without com- compromising future generation ability to do so. Condition economic, social, and environment assets. These concepts are intertwined and clearly for addressing climate change and ensuring a balanced, prosperous future for all. Thank you for your attention to us.